Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. Today I will demonstrate the modular BOM concept using a bicycle as an example. A modular BOM has options in place of components. When a sales order or work order is created, the options that are chosen become part of the material list. I will begin by navigating to Engineering and choosing BOM Master. Clicking on the Add button starts a new BOM. I want to allow a choice between producing a men's or women's frame when building a bicycle, so the part number I'm going to use has already been added to inventory to represent that choice. Modular is just one of 6 BOM types supported. I want the BOM to become active today. Look at the small icon of a gear on a shaft in the work area used to construct the BOM. There are icons for each type of BOM. When the record is saved, the icon changes to match the type. Here, instead of adding components to the BOM, I am going to right-click to add each of the choices. The first choice is for a men's frame with a quantity of 1. The second choice is for a woman's frame. Both of these options are modular BOMs with their own list of color choices. You can see these choices by right-clicking on the woman's or men's frame and selecting Go To. Here is a modular BOM showing the colors that can be selected for a woman's frame. Now I am going to show how to add the modular BOM that we just created with the choice of men's or women's frames to the bicycle BOM. I will open the screen so that you can see the entire bicycle BOM. Right-clicking on the bicycle item number pops up the menu and allows me to add the BOM with the choice of men's or woman's frame. I simply enter the part number and quantity and save the record. You can see that the BOM was added just like a component. Drilling down on the BOM that was just added displays the trail all the way to the lowest level. As you can see, the modular BOM simply becomes part of the indented build structure and how one modular choice can lead to another until the components are reached. What would normally require upwards of 3,000 unique BOMs to accommodate building men's and women's bicycles with all their different options is done with just one structure using the concept of a modular BOM. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.